Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala Rasoolil Kareem. Honorable Chairman, Competition Commission of Pakistan, Kabir Sidhu Sahab, Janab Law Minister Sahab, Janab Finance Minister Sahab, and I'll have to take a pause. I'll have to say Federal Minister Ali Pervez Malik Sahab, like the Master of Ceremony. I'm sure, the way he performed, mashallah, with the Revenue Division, he will outperform with the new responsibility, which obviously a Prime Minister would announce and assign him. But let me assure him, he will have a more difficult challenge in the days ahead, क्योंकि Prime Minister साहब किसी को ज़रा बहुत आसानी से यानी easy time नहीं लेने देते. Honorable Chairman SECP, Janab Aqib Saeed Sahab, Honorable former Chairman CCP Khalid Mirza Sahab, Janab Raja Naeem Sahab, Law Secretary, Government officials, members of Competition Commission, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, media ke dosto, Assalamu alaikum, very good morning and Ramadan Kareem and Mubarak. मेरे लिए इंतहाई खुशी का मुकाम है कि मैं I'm happy from the heart to see what's going to happen today. मेरी affiliation with the particularly the financial sector and its institution have been very long, almost over 3.5 decades. मुझे याद है early 90s, a young government World Bank group official contacted me, wanted to come and see me. तो मैंने कहा नाश्ते पे तशरीफ़ ले आए. वो आ गए, हमने बड़ी अच्छी बातें की. उनका ख्याल था कि ये जो कॉर्पोरेट लॉ अथॉरिटी है ये तो एक विंग है अंडर कंट्रोल ऑफ फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री और इसको ऑब्वियसली ख़त्म होना चाहिए. ये जो मोनोपोली का आपका जो लॉ है वो भी इट हैज़ टू बी ए इंडिपेंडेंट रेगुलेटर. तो मैंने उनकी बातें ऑब्जर्व की एंड आई सॉ इन हिम ए फ्यूचर रेगुलेटर इन पाकिस्तान एंड ही वाज खालिद मिर्ज़ा. So I have again, as I said, a long association, so I took it as a challenge. Alhamdulillah, I remember Shamim Ahmed Khan Sahab, Allah give him long life and good health. उनको मैंने फिर challenge के साथ अपने साथ मिलाया. I was having the trade and commerce as well as at that time finance after the post detonation because of the sanctions on Pakistan. तो हमने चैलेंज कबूल किया कि 1 जनवरी 1999 को we will convert the CLA, the Corporate Law Authority, into an independent regulator, Security Exchange Corporation of Pakistan. Alhamdulillah, that happened, and now one of the successors is sitting here, Aqib Saeed Sahab, is doing a good job. Likewise, we had a plan कि ये monopoly control जो हमारा anti-monopoly law था, उसको भी हम convert करें. I remember I was in opposition in 2010, and this law was steered in the Senate, and we had to have a very hard time to make my colleagues understand why this law was there, its contents and its फ़ायदे, क्योंकि अक्सर लोगों को इसकी को ज़्यादा समझ या नहीं, because it's a very technical and professional subject. तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह I've been part of that process कि जब ये law pass हुआ 2010 में, तो as I said कि then शायद अल्लाह ने मेरे से the 4th time when I was finance minister, I had to pick the team. A team dedicated, honest, to fill the vacancies of the members, CCP as well as the commissioner. So the lucky draw was on Mr. Kabir. So he took this responsibility. Alhamdulillah, I must compliment him. The feedback is very fine. He is doing a wonderful work. जैसे Khalid Mirza Sahab ने, through wisdom, I will not repeat things. They're all professional. We all understand कि क्या चीज़ की ज़रूरत है. The cartels, a word over, have to be taken head on. और यही पाकिस्तान की ज़रूरत थी और इसीलिए Competition Commission of Pakistan को बनाया गया था. We do not have a shortage of cartels, people who would like to squeeze the consumers. We do not have a very strong consumers protection societies like the West has. So I think कि आपका CCP का role and responsibility is even double as a formal government regulator as well as to replace the consumer protection societies which are lacking and not present in Pakistan. तो ये एक अली परवेज़ ने young man ने बिल्कुल ठीक mention किया. I as finance minister used to have frustration कि इतने अच्छे फैसले होते हैं लेकिन जाके वो फिर स्टे हो जाते हैं और कोई उसका मंतकी अंजाम नहीं होता. But now with the mashallah law minister साहब in place, and with the support of Aurangzeb Sahab as I would not say minister in charge because a regulator, but obviously minister attached, I would say the term. तो इनकी भी सपोर्ट होगी, लॉ मिनिस्टर साहब की भी होगी. ये शायद आपको कोई मेरा ख्याल है वैसे कोई यूटिलिटीज़ में कोई हेल्प करें, परवेज़ मलिक साहब फ्यूचर में, तो उसकी को कीमतें ठीक रखने में. और तो मैं ये अर्ज़ कर रहा हूँ कि ये हमारा कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. इफ़ यू हैव टू टेक दिस कंट्री फॉरवर्ड, बिलीव मी, दिस कंट्री हैज़ ग्रेट रेजिलियंस. प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट कि 2013 में पाकिस्तान was declared globally macroeconomic unstable country. Number 2, Pakistan was projected to default between 6 to 7 months. Number 3, the word global, जिसमें खालिद मजहब से जो माजी के जो ग्रुप है वो कहता था 12 से 15 साल लगेंगे to get out of quagmire. See the resilience of this country. It didn't take more than 3 years. The first time IMF program was completed 2013-16. The all macroeconomic indicators fell in place. The foreign exchange reserves make a new highest record, which is still in place. Or overall inflation fiscal year ki 17-18 ki came 3.59. The stock market, again, that was a big story. The mafias were not letting the three stock exchanges merge. Agif Saeed sahab baithe hue hain. They had the territorial problem. The Islamabad Stock Exchange, the Lahore Stock Exchange, the Karachi Stock Exchange. And it was over a decade try. Musharraf Sahab ke zamane mein bhi, People's Party, I put my foot down. I remember इनके जो predecessor है ज़फ़र हिजाज़ी साहब मेरे पास आए कि जी ये डेडलाइन ख़त्म हो रही है, इसको मर्जर की, तो काइंडली गिव अस 6 months. मैंने कहा आपके पास 6 weeks हैं. If it doesn't happen, any state writ and any state assistance you require a chairman SECP, we will provide you, but you please go and perform. I must compliment. Then it was merged. Pakistan Stock Exchange came, I think it was the 11th of January 2016. जब ये am I right, chairman साहब, मैं ये श्रीनगर में इसका हुआ था function. तो you see the the resilience in this country's potential. तो बहुत लोग घबराते हैं. मैं last year जब last time औरंगज़ेब साहब की जगह पर जिम्मेदारी कर रहा था, तो मेरी in accordance with my practice, तो मैं ये बड़ी चैम्बर्स को, बिजनेस हाउस जो एसोसिएशंस को बुला के कंसल्ट करता हूँ ताकि अगर कोई अच्छा आइडिया हो तो हम उसको बजट में इनकॉर्पोरेट करें. 90% of the big chambers who visited me, and we were holding meetings in FBR top floor, तो उनकी प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? हाँ जी, अपना बिजनेस बेच के सोच रहे हैं पाकिस्तान से माइग्रेट कर जाए. और कहाँ जाना है जी? कोई को दुबई, को मिडल ईस्ट. मैंने कहा यार क्या मसला है जी? पाकिस्तान डेट ट्रैप कंट्री. भाई डेट ट्रैप इज ओनली ए क्वेश्चन ऑफ मैनेजिंग थिंग्स. 130 billion debt and liabilities, external debt obviously, rupees, so you can manage. So, God has blessed this country with mines and minerals, with granite, with the hydrocarbon, with stones, at least worth 10 trillion. So, it's a matter of streamlining, and Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif is doing day and night. He's working hard. We are trying to explore all these areas. Or inshallah, I think, mera iman hai, it's not too far away when Pakistan will, will get the right place in the community of nations. It's a nuclear country. It's a missile quwwat. The only thing lacking is a strong economic power. And that, you are in 2017, 18, you were already 24th global economy. You are 4 notches away to be part of G20. PricewaterhouseCoopers projected, just Google after this meeting, maximum at 2030, Pakistan will be part of G20. I think that's where destiny should be. And that destiny can only come when all regulators work in order, all the teamwork is going on. I don't want to preempt, Aurangzeb Sahab ki briefing. Please do listen to his briefing. It's expected to be live. God has been very kind. Today, by the way, is a very interesting day. 4th of March is the completion of first year of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif government. It took oath on 4th of March. I think it's a great coincidence. It's a great coincidence. वैसे तो हमने कई डेटे आपस में तीनों ने शटल की इनके साथ, लेकिन द कुरा 4 मार्च को निकला, which suited everybody. But it's a good date. We didn't have this back in mind कि जी ये हमारा 1 साल भी complete आज हो रहा है, जिसपे 4 ministries की आज brief presentations होंगी. तो a year back, the situation. The PDM government was doing nothing but saving the country from default. And I tell you, जो आपके well wishers नहीं हैं, they would love to see you in default. They would love to see you in economic problem. Reason? Because you are a nuclear power, the only Islamic country in 57. You are a missile, quwwat, and it doesn't digest. So हमारे ऊपर है कि अल्लाह ने जो हमें bless की हुई चीज़ें, we should streamline and for the benefit of the nation, and Pakistan should take the right place in the international community. We have been very lucky. एक साल पहले था जी पाकिस्तान, you must be hearing it, diplomatically isolated है. Again, I'm asked to, like, at a short notice, I was told कि जी मैंने वो खालिद मिर्ज़ा साहब की तरह कि मैंने वो थोड़ी सी अपनी 5 मिनट बात करनी है, तो I'll share my views, but let me tell you, in 1 year, 27 साल के बाद we held a multilateral big event, SCO, heads of government event in Pakistan, followed by almost 4 dozen countries in international girls की जो एजुकेशन के हवाले से एक मल्टीलैटरल हमने यहाँ एक इवेंट किया. वो बायलैटरल तो बेपनाह है, तो इसलिए अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह एक वोट्स की बढ़तरी से हम 12 में 7th times UN Security Council member मुंतखब हुए थे. This time we got 182 versus 5 votes. We elected, alhamdulillah, 2025, 2026. So इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान में मेरा ईमान भी है और I have a conviction कि अगर हम सारे मिल के काम करें, everybody wherever it is, and do work hard like Prime Minister always appeals, तो inshallah it is not too far away when we will have, inshallah, the economy will be growing. You have seen the stability already there. We are now passing to the development trajectory and goal. So inshallah we will together celebrate in next few years कि Pakistan inshallah will reach a very proper place in the international arena. So मेरी बहुत दिली मुबारक चौधरी कबीर साहब आपको, आपकी टीम को आज के हवाले से, and wish you all the best. This building certainly will, as one of the honorable speakers said, will certainly contribute. Buildings do matter, as well as obviously the more is the software, what Khalid Mirza and other colleagues said. So, you have built a good team, keep adding on. And I'm sure Aurangzeb Sahab will be very generous to give you full support in this objective. Thank you very much indeed. God bless you. Pakistan, Paindabad.